Hello everyone, I am Francis Ann S. Vizcaya from ECE 3D, and these are the topics of my report today. What is metadata? Importance of metadata when transmitting or representing digital information, how to determine and validate IMEI, how to calculate the check digit of a UPC. So first, what is metadata? It is structured reference data that helps sort and identify the attributes of the information it describes. In short, it is data that provides information about other data. Why is metadata important when transmitting or representing digital information? Metadata contain descriptions of the content as well as keywords linked to the content. This is often displayed in search results by search engines. Metadata is used for document files, computer files, images, relational databases, spreadsheets, videos, audio files, and web pages. Some specific examples of metadata are the author, the date created, the date modified, and the file size. In short, metadata summarizes basic information about the data, which makes it easier to find, use, and reuse particular instances of data, therefore making it more convenient. So now we will proceed to IMEI. What is IMEI? The International Mobile Equipment Identity, or IMEI, is a unique 15-digit code used to identify 3GPP and IDEN mobile phones, as well as some satellite phones. So now we will this is how to determine the IMEI of a phone. Usually you only need to dial this number, and this is what usually appears after that. So you can see here, these are the IMEI. So this is how to validate an IMEI. We will be using this as an example. So here is our code now. And first, we must get the sum of all of the odd digits. So 3 plus 3, 6 plus 1 is 7, plus 5 is 12, plus 3 is equal to 15. Then, we will need to replace the even digits with their corresponding value. So therefore, 5 becomes 1, 4 is 8, 9 is still 9, 1 becomes 2, 0 is still 0, 7 is now 5, and 2 is equal to 4. Then we will take the sum of all of these new values, which is equal to 29. Then you take 15 and 29 and add them to get 44. The check digit is what will be added to 44 in order to round it up. So therefore it is 6. So now this is our code complete with the check digit, which matches exactly with the example given. So now we will proceed to UPC. What is a UPC? A Universal Product Code, or UPC, is a type of code printed on retail product packaging to aid in identifying a particular item. It has two parts, a machine-readable code and a unique 12-digit code. So this is an example of a UPC. And now this is how we will get its check digit, which is usually the last number. So this is our code without the check digit. So now we will now try to solve for the check digit. So first, you multiply the odd digits by 1 and the even digits by 3. So 4 times 1 is 4, 0 times 3 is still 0, 0 times 1 is still 0, 5 times 3 is 15, 9 times 1 is 9, 0 times 3 is still 0, 0 times 1 is still 0, 5 times 3 equals to 15, 5 times 1 is 5, 5 times 3 is 15, 4 times 1 is equal to 4, and 6 times 3 is equal to 18. Then we will sum this all up, which will make it equal to 85. Now, our check digit is equal to 5, since that is what is needed to be added to 85 in order to round it up to 90. So now this is our final code, and it matches exactly with the picture given. So that concludes the report. Thank you for listening.